Final review of contents. Name: Daniela Judith Vega Valenzuela. Subject: English. Teacher: David Brun Anento. Day: 33/7/2026. Unit 1. Entrepreneurs. Entrepreneurship. Joint venture. Profit. Investor. Trademark. Patent. Product launch. Outsourcing. Association. Start-up. Relative concept. Invitation. Investment. Networking. Product development. Business culture. Unit 2. Start-up. Born start. Born rate. Pivot investment. Vesting. Accelerator. Exit. Scale-up. Team startup. Relative concept. Business growth. Financial strategies. Innovation. Startup ecosystem. Investor. Business picture. Unit 3. Advertising. Billboard. Endorsement. Competitor. Invoice. Slogan. Time slot. Warranty. Brochure. Commercial. Venture. Relative concept. Marketing. Branding. Promotion. Media. Competition. Persuasion. Advertising. Campaign. Connections. Entrepreneurship. Innovation. Investor. Startup. Product launch. Advertising campaign. Startup. Branding. Investor. Accelerators. Product launch. Scale up. Goodbye.